Here we have a smart cooktop, which uses EPIC's proprietary nanocloud processing technology. Industry leaders believe that in 5 years, smart sensors smaller than a grain of salt will be embedded into everyday objects. EPIC-SEMICONDUCTORS is proud to present such groundbreaking technology today. With 12 granted patents and more on the way, EPIC's dust-sized AI chip makes life safer and products smarter. It's a battery-free energy harvesting sensor with built-in artificial intelligence and bidirectional communication, all in one chip for just 1 cent. In this demo, we will show some of the functionality of the cooktop itself made possible with EPIC's AI chips. There is a hub which provides an electric field to wirelessly power and bidirectionally communicate with the embedded AI chips. These chips are used for the cooktop controls, gesture and object detection, and interfacing with other components such as displays and sensors. This cooktop has touch zone controls for powering on, changing modes, and adjusting the temperature settings. These touch zones resemble buttons but are built with EPIC's AI chips and require no wires or PCBs, reducing the cost. With the AI chips, it is also possible to create a hands-free 3D gesture recognition system to allow the user to control the cooktop in a more hygienic way, keeping their hands and the surface clean. EPIC's AI chips can also wirelessly power and control multicolored illuminations and displays, as well as any desired sensor. In this case, we have chips controlling 2 LED illuminations and a pressure sensor. The chips get the measurement data from the sensors and send it to the hub wirelessly for further processing. When the cooktop is turned on, we see an LED strip turn on, and the first cooking element is selected. Using the controls, we can switch to the other element. The smart cooking assistant can use the pressure sensor powered by the AI chip to detect an object such as a pot, shown here. It would also be able to monitor the weight to aid in cooking preparation. Using 4 AI chips, the cooktop creates an interactive zone around a cooking element. This zone can detect an object like a pot and monitor activity to ensure proper cooking procedure. Here the cooktop senses a pot and lets the user know when it is properly positioned. This feature increases safety by only working with a properly positioned pot. The interactive zone can also monitor the activity in or around the pot, such as chemical changes, water level, or human interaction, as shown here. Using this data, the cooktop can identify when the pot is approached, touched, stirred, and removed. EPIC's technology enhances user experience and security across the supply chain process and product lifecycle, where each step along the way is recorded in a secure blockchain. During assembly, EPIC's AI chips can verify that the product was properly assembled with the correct and original parts and that it performs correctly. They can communicate with workers, machines, and robots for comprehensive monitoring. NCPs can also keep track of the cooktop during transport and while stored in a warehouse, keeping it safe from tampering and theft. In the shop, the AI chips manage inventory and customer resources. They also enhance the user experience by monitoring, analyzing, and supporting customer interactions with the product, activating augmented features without being plugged in or powered. At home, the cooktop can be part of a connected home system, and the integrated smart cooking assistant helps monitor and enhance food preparation. Again, user interaction with the product can be monitored to activate security or augmented features such as hands-free gesture operations. At the end of the product's life, EPIC's AI chips ensure it is recycled responsibly. And throughout the entire life cycle, EPIC's AI chips automatically prevent failure, detect tampering, and record valuable usage data. All this functionality, at all stages of the product lifecycle, is made possible with EPIC's proprietary nanocloud processing technology. That's EPIC.